Welcome back to Nana's Cooking Craft Corner. On this video I'm going to show you what this turns into. It's a kit that was sent to me by Soto Cat Mania, and I'm really happy and excited to put it together, and it's turning out really cute. So stay tuned, it's coming up, and I'll show you what it looks like next. Well, this is the one project I did from Soto Cat Mania, from the kits that I showed you earlier, and this is the front of it. And it's my little fairy house that I turned this into. I call it the front yard, kind of. And she had sent me different things, and I put it all together. And I added a few, I used some polymer clay and made the tree in the pot. And these are her flowers. And I added fancy paper to it. And I'll show you around the back. I call it indoors, in the house. And there you have it. That's the inside of it. And of course, they all flip open like this. So you can store something inside of it. And I thought it turned out pretty cute. So that's the one that I want to show you that I made. And from there, she gave me another kit. So I'm going to take this one away. There's the Christmas scene I made. So with Christmas coming up, I thought it was a perfect time to do this one. Alright, so I'll let it sit there for a couple minutes. Looks like I should do the other one. And then I'll turn the back around here. And this is kind of the inside. I made it like the inside of a house. And put little curtains on it. Made my little tree, little fat Christmas tree, I think. And she gave me a little doll, so I kind of painted her up. Made a little carpet, so it reminds me of inside an old-fashioned Christmas. That's what it reminds me of, this one. An old-fashioned Christmas. And I'll turn it back around to show you what I mean. When I think of the houses with the old-fashioned lights, snowman that you did with the kids, the garland that went on the fence, stuff like that. That's kind of my idea was when, and of course it's the smoke coming from the chimney. That was my idea when I thought about it. I thought when I was growing up, and just an old-fashioned kind of Christmas scene. Thanks for watching. Take care, have a wonderful day, and I'll speak to you soon. Bye for now.